Good morning, Leschi students and staff. I'm so happy to see you this morning, so happy that you are here. Today is November 1st, 2021. I hope you had a very safe and fun weekend. We're going to start our assembly this morning with the land acknowledgement. As we begin our assembly this morning, we acknowledge that our assembly is taking place on occupied Coast Salish land and that Leschi Elementary is on the homelands of the Duwamish people. We pay respects to the Coast Salish elders, past and present, and to their descendants and to all Indigenous people. To acknowledge this land is to recognize its longer history and our place in that history. So, quick review, we have some big school rules at Leschi. We are respectful, we are responsible, and we are safe. And think about the different ways that you can show that in different areas. And today I want to talk about some specific ways to be responsible and to be safe. So to be responsible, there are some ways that you can show this, and just a few reminders. So students should keep your cell phones in your backpack. So if you have a cell phone, please keep it in your backpack. Please keep it put away while you are at school. And for the 4th and 5th grade classes, I'll be discussing with your class, or already have, about some of the expectations, as well as some of the ways that we can help students meet those expectations if they're not following them. So if we see cell phones out, what is the process of what would happen, and how can we help you to keep those expectations? Now, for all students, please remember that food is only eaten at lunchtime or during morning recess. If you're in the school at a different time that is not lunchtime and not during morning recess, then you should not be eating any food. You should not be having snacks. And that's because we want to follow our health and safety protocols. We want to keep ourselves safe and we want to keep others safe. And that means we need to keep our masks on. So those are two great ways to be responsible. Now, some ways to be safe. We've been noticing there's been students who have been in the hallways and they don't always have a hall pass. Well, teachers, you have a hall pass in your mailboxes. You can come and get that. And students, please use hall passes when you are in the hallway. And that means if you're going to use the bathroom, if you are going to get something from the office, if you're in the hallway and away from your class for any reason, please make sure you have a hall pass. Your teacher will talk with you more about the specific procedures for your class. Another way to be safe and to be responsible is to go directly to your destination and then go back to where you need to be. So that means if you are going to use the bathroom, then you are going to go straight to the bathroom with your hall pass, and then you will use the bathroom, wash your hands, and then you will go right back to class. So that is very safe, and it is also very responsible. And with being safe, we want to make sure that we know where students are, just in case there's an emergency, in case we need, you might be getting picked up early, or there's some other reason. We need to know where students are, and you need to be supervised by adults. Also, another way to be safe is we're going to be safe by wearing our masks correctly and appropriately, and we need to only take masks from a box if we need one. Now, we had gloves out at some of the entrances to the building. We had to take those away. We wanted to make sure we had some students who were taking gloves when they did not need them. And so another way to be responsible is to make sure that you are just taking what you need when you need it. Now, in our school community, I want you to know that all of you are unique and wonderful, and that we all have needs that are different, and sometimes our needs change. There might be needs that we have that are the same as well. And what's important is that we're going to continue to treat each other at Leschi with respect and kindness. And if we have students who might speak a little differently, might have different needs in how they get around, might have different needs in how they learn, those are all things that are important. And I know that if I'm doing something that is a comfortable action for me and somebody is staring at me, that could make me really uncomfortable. And so that a great way to learn about someone would be to ask questions, and would be to just accept someone and invite someone to a game or talk with someone, and learn more about each other. So instead of just staring at somebody if they have different needs or they have differences, then we think about how we can find out more and learn more about that person so that we can accept them in our community and learn with them together. So those are just some of the things that I've covered in this assembly. I hope you have an awesome Monday. And please remember that at lunchtime, you may have some candy if you had any candy that you got over the weekend if you celebrate Halloween, or if you have any candy for other reasons, please have only 1 or 2 pieces at lunchtime. And I hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon. I believe in you.